Hello, welcome to NIBA TV, the last one for 2020. What a year it's been in really difficult and challenging insurance markets. Fires at the start of the year, floods, storms, and then of course COVID mucking everybody around. Somebody made the comment early in the COVID experience about we are now all in the health business, and I think we are, with health of ourselves, our staff, our customers and clients, people around us, our families. Health is just so important, and it's going to continue to be the case through into 2021 and beyond, even with the vaccine that seems to be coming through. So pleasing that Australia has done so well, and looks like it's largely licked the problem, but with people coming in from overseas, that's obviously still a risk which has to be managed, and we wish all the best to the health authorities and the other people who are doing that role. For NIBA, it's been a challenge to cope with all the unexpected developments. We've cancelled pretty well all of our events during the course of the year. We still had a lot of work to do in terms of legal legislative developments. The Royal Commission bill implementing Royal Commission recommendations went into the Parliament just a little while ago now, early December, and we've been looking at that very thoroughly. There's some issues in there, but we'll have to work out how best to resolve those with government, with Treasury, and we'll be putting information out early in the new year about what that all means for brokers and how they're going to have to cope with those reforms. The market is going to remain difficult. It looks like there's a lot of worries about that. We've just had the report from the Small Business Commissioner. There's another report due from the ACCC on insurance issues in Northern Australia. Lots of discussions ongoing with Treasury and with government at the federal level about pockets of real problems in the sector, and we keep talking with the Treasury about that. So that's going to be an ongoing challenge for brokers. Really pleased that the NIBA board has taken steps to finish its initial consideration of a new code of practice. So we'll be working with that as a consultation phase in the new year with the independent reviewer and getting views on the new code from all parties, brokers, external stakeholders, regulators, government agencies, and so on. That's going to be a really important development for 2021. And that will also continue the work that we've started on the Deloitte report on the role and value of insurance broking. We'll be taking that to many people as we can, just to explain the role of broking, make sure that it's well understood. That will form the basis of a lot of work we'll do during the course of 21 on the review of remuneration. So that's going to be quite a lot happening next year, but particularly with implementation of Royal Commission recommendations in a difficult insurance market. So there's been just lastly on 2020, we took a big gamble and we took a big step and decided to run a virtual convention. Delighted with the level of support that we got from brokers and the number of delegates who came along. We're pretty proud of the program that we offered, both external speakers and a wide range of industry speakers, all very well received, and we're very pleased with the way that came around. So I think quite a success. Lots of learnings, lots of things to learn from a virtual convention as well. So we'll think very long and hard about what we do 21. There's a lot of interest in resuming face-to-face, and we'll have to look at the viability of that again in the context of health requirements. So we'll see how that goes. I'd like to wish everybody compliments of the season, very best wishes for the Christmas period. I hope people do get a chance to have a break. I think everyone's working hugely hard and in a very difficult, challenging year. I hope people can remain fit and healthy over the period, have a good break, and come back refreshed for what's going to be a really interesting 2021. I'll look forward to talking and meeting you then. All the very best. Thank you.